That's bowling. Easy, bro. Bowling. Bowling thing. Strike is bowling strike. Toilet flush. What are these sounds, bro? Come on, bro. Lock in, bro. It's an eagle. That's an eagle. Oh shit. So, clock. Clock. I said clock. It's a clock, yo. It's a clock. Clock. Go. Ducks. Those are ducks. Let's go. Cutting scissors. Cutting paper. Then cutting paper. Ooh, that sound is like a check.
Oh, Snickers. Oh, shit. I can't control myself. Snickers or Twigs.
I've never tasted none of them, but I say Twix. Twix. I'll go with Twix. What the fuck is going with the AI, bro? Is this the AI?
I have a secret to tell you in the last question.
Okay, bro.
Save this innocent little watermelon eater or get...
Would you rather
Okay.
eat a bucket of live worms or a bucket of sand? I'm eating a bucket of
They're
live
live
worms.
worms,
Now
yeah.
hear me out. A bucket of worms
Yeah.
would have mad protein in it.
Yeah, the live one. Like sand. Imagine eating sand, bro. Like sand in. Like at least worms, they were true. I'd be able to cook worms. I wouldn't eat them.
It might even taste good. Would you rather always have bad body odor or bad breath?
Oh, is that bad? Not bad, but t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt. Okay.
I see line.
Are you dumb?
Or postcard.
No.
Or marker. Or anvil.
No.
Or toothpaste.
Oh my.
I see drill.
You are
Or
dumb.
teapot.
You are dumb.
Or
It's a
crayon.
t-shirt. It's a
Or cooler.
dumb.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
P. What is a P, bro?
I see circle.
Oh my. Ooh. Wood. Ah. Mama making monkey.